the Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficial. Today we are going to solving the question regarding trigonometry ability for CSS and PMS and any competitive exams is helpful. Then we will discuss about the triangle. The triangle, if we discuss about the triangle, then triangle has the altitude, base and hypotenuse. It means A, B and C. This is the triangle. Then this is the base or adjacent side. Or adjacent side. This is also called base, adjacent sides, and this is also called height. This is the height. And it is also called altitude. And it is also called perpendiculars. And this is the called hypotenuse. So these are the properties of the triangle. We are going to discuss about the question. Statements of the question is: a man travels over the path of a right angle triangle. The right angle triangle having a one angle is 90 degree. Of the right angle triangle having base and hypotenuse 4 and 5 kilometers. It means base is 4 kilometers and this is the hypotenuse is 5 kilometers. After a complete round, he continues in the same direction for 6 kilometer and then turn 90 degree and continues for another 8 kilometer. How long he has traveled? He has traveled and how far he is from his starting points. So we will discuss about the triangle having a 4 kilometer base and the hypotenuse is 5 kilometers. According to the statement, we will draw the triangle. It means this is a triangle and right angle and triangle. Right angle and triangle. According to the statement, for understanding, then we have to draw the triangle just like this. This is the right angle and triangle. This is the 90 degree angle. The triangle, right angle triangle having one angle is 90 degree. Then this is the hypotenuse. A, B and C. This is the base and it is 4 kilometers. And this is the hypotenuse, it is the 5 kilometers. According to the statement, when he will complete a round, it means he will start at point C to B, then B to A and A to C. When again he will reach here at point C, according to the statement 5 kilometers, after covering the distance of 5 kilometers, after a complete round in the same direction, then in the same direction for 6 kilometer, then it means the same direction will be this. Travel 6 kilometer. So it will be travel 6 kilometer. It means this is the 6 kilometer. Then turn 90 degrees. Then turn 90 degrees. It means when he will turn to the right side, then it will be turn here at 90 degree and cover the distance 8 kilometers. This is also angle of 90 degree. Then A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Then what is the 90 degree and continues for another 8 kilometer? How long he has traveled? It means इसने total distance कितना तय किया है कि जो दोबारा ये इस पॉइंट पर पहुंचेगा, अगर ये पॉइंट सी से ए तक जाता है 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस तय करके, फिर ए से बी तक जाता है, तो फिर बी से जो है वो इस पॉइंट सी तक पहुंचता है, तो सी से फिर सेम डायरेक्शन में पॉइंट डी तक पहुंचता है और पॉइंट डी से 88 किलोमीटर मजीद जो है वो ट्रेवल करता है. तो व्हेन यू जॉइन पॉइंट सी टू ई, दिस पॉइंट विल बी ई. So this distance is 8 kilometer and this distance from point C to point D is 6 kilometers. First of all, we will using the formula of the triangle, its mean hypotenuse is equal to under root base square of base plus square of height RH. Then first of all we will find the measurement of AB. Then measurement of AB, it is also AB is called the height or altitude. Then we will find the altitude height. AB is equal to BAC hypotenuse का square minus base का square. When we will use this formula, then AB will be AC mean 5 का square plus base mean 4 का square. It will become 25 plus 16, then it will become 1. Sorry, we will take the minus. It will become 9. Then 9 is the square of 3. It means AB is equal to 3 kilometers. Side AB is equal to 3 kilometers. Its mean height will be 3 kilometers. तो height हमने find कर ली. Its mean 3 kilometers. अब हमने find करना है इसकी height mean, its mean, side इसका hypotenuse मालूम करना है यानी EC. Then side EC will be equal to base mean 6 का square and height mean 8, the square of 8, then it will become 36 plus 64, then it will become 100, then EC 100 the square of 10, then EC is equal to 10 kilometers. Then this distance is 10 kilometers. Then how long he has traveled? The question is how long he has traveled. The answer of this, how long, he traveled will be equal to, this is 3 kilometer plus 4 kilometer plus 5 kilometer plus 6 kilometer plus 8 kilometers is equal to AB plus BC plus AC plus CD plus DE. Then put the value AB is equal to 3, BC is equal to 4, AC is equal to 5, or CD is equal to 6, then D is equal to 8. It will come to 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 8, 26 kilometers. Then its mean he traveled total distance will be at 26 kilometers. The next question is how far he is, how far far is from starting point. From starting point, then starting point, how long he has traveled and how far he is from his starting point. तो जहां स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट आपका यहां पर था, ऐसे गया, फिर यहां पर आया, फिर ऐसे गया. तो इस सूरत में हमारे पास स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट सी है. सी अब जो है वो ट्रेवल करता हुआ यहां पर जो है वो पहुंचा है. तो इस तरह हमारे पास इसका डिस्टेंस कितना हमने ट्रेवल किया है, ई से पॉइंट सी तक इसका कितना डिस्टेंस बनता है. तो इट्स मीन इज इक्वल टू 10 किलोमीटर्स. This is our answer. Inshallah, next question regarding the triangles or trigonometry will be solved in the next videos.